Alright, we're here in the banquet men's room at the Exchange. The toilet has just been changed out. The Kohler Cimmaron from 2005 that was in here was cracked. The clamp in the middle that held the tank to the bowl was all rusted. It was about ready to fall apart. And it didn't have that great of a flush. Note the Bemis black seat on here. I thought that would add a cool look to the bathroom. Anyway, we're going to give you a flush of this toilet. And the tank view as well. Here's the 2005 ProFlo Urinal. '2020 Mansfield Alto with a right-hand flush handle. Let's flush this puppy. Nice. Appears to have a good bowl rinse and a nice flush. Now let's take a look at the inner workings and make it all happen. Here's your signature Mansfield flush tower. And Mansfield ballcock. Neat. And there you have it. A success.